Begin by applying a thin layer of lubricant to the O-ring. Once lubricated, carefully place the O-ring into the packing nut, making sure it sits evenly. Next, spread a light coat of lubricant across the surface of the washer. Place the washer directly into the packing nut on top of the O-ring you just positioned. Now, grab the flex knob and apply a small amount of lubricant to the grooves at the end. Once that's done, set the packing nut at a slight angle into a soft jaw vise. Next, take the side block wrench and flex knob. Place the flex knob on the edge of the adjustment packing nut at an angle, leaving the lip of the flex knob on the outside. Using a side block wrench, press down on the flex knob and gently roll it into the packing nut. Once both parts are connected, remove from the vise. Next, lubricate the threads of the adjustment shaft. Once lubricated, insert the shaft into the flex knob. Push on the adjustment shaft's end while turning the flex knob counterclockwise. As the final step, lubricate the external O-ring and install it onto the adjustment packing nut.